Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Find box so you can move quickly through the document. Press Ctrl plus F on Windows or Command plus F on Mac, then type the word or phrase you want. Once done, use match case to respect capitalization or whole word to avoid partial hits. Make sure to glance at the search field for typos because small errors stop results. If you want variations, try a root word. That way you capture plurals and common endings without complex steps. Once you've found basic hits, refine the process to save time. Open Advanced Find or Replace when you need patterns, formatting, or wildcards. This lets you match dates, hyphenation, or styled text. Use Replace with Preview so you approve each swap. Otherwise, unintended changes occur. Also, choose search direction, up or down, or limit to the current selection to avoid editing unrelated sections. If you need multiple variants, run a few targeted searches, rather than one broad, error-prone. To finish, review every replacement and then save a copy so you can recover if needed. If something goes wrong, undo immediately, and then inspect hidden formatting, track changes, or whether only a selection was searched. These are common causes of missing results. Make sure to toggle Show /hide formatting marks and rerun the search if necessary. Finally, scroll through the document in print layout or draft view to confirm all instances look correct, and then save the final version.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.